POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Vastking. And this is the KingPad SA10 10-inch Android 10 tablet. Touchscreen, IPS, 1080p, and it's a pretty good competitor, or at least it seems. We're going to be able to find out about that soon as we open this up and actually break it out and get a lot of testing in with it. But inside is a Unisoc SC9 863A processor, and that's a 1.6 gigahertz Octa-Core Cortex A55 processor. And well, Octa-Core is always something you want to look for, especially in today's modern gadgets when you're looking for something decent, and it's got that. Inside it also has 3 gigs of memory, of RAM, as well as 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, which is of course expandable via an SD card slot. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera for taking pictures, as well as a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, so you can, you know, take all those selfies that you've always wanted while you're out and about and traveling, and or at work or school or anywhere else you might drag your tablet along with. But it also has some of your general features in there, like Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, and everything else you'd expect from a tablet. It has a MSRP of around $170. So with all of these specs and price combined, this competes well with some of your familiar names like Lenovo or Asus. For example, the ZenPad series, this would fall in line pretty much with those, maybe just the next generation from that. But it sounds good. It comes with a lot of neat specs. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hear something rattling around in there. We're going to open this up. We're going to see what it comes with, what it looks like, and then you're going to go to POCnetwork.net, where we're going to have a full review about this later on, so we can let you know what we think about it. You're presented with 2 sections here. You got your tablet, and you got this little accessory case here, a little box with accessories. Doesn't look like it has much. It's pretty simple. We have a USB cable, which is going to be USB-C to USB, so standard for anything modern. And then you have, of course, your wall adapter for the USB. So this is going to be for charging the tablet with and or syncing your data to your computer with. We're going to put the tablet off to the side real quick so we can explore the little box or insert that's right underneath it. We have some documentation here. We have a little thank you card. Just talks about their Vastking. And reach out to them for information, warranty, quick start guide, and of course, you have a user manual with some stuff stuck in there as well. You have activate your 2-year free warranty now, and you have your little key here, and this is going to be for SD cards, so you can pop that out on the side of the thing. With the accessories all to the side here, we now have the tablet to take a look at here, which looks like your typical 10-inch tablet. I mean, it's 10 inches, but it's also, it's about relatively the right kind of weight for a 10-inch tablet. So it's not too heavy. It's not the lightest tablet, I'd say, that we've seen, but it's not by any means the heaviest. It's kind of average, I would say. The width of it is incredibly thin, so it's got that going for it. So it has a nice thin profile to it, just like anything, again, keyword of the day, modern. You have your camera right here on the back. That's your rear-facing camera, and as well as one on the front here. We have your typical Android controls on the side, and it's like we have your keyhole right here to pop it out at the top here to insert an SD card into. As well as on the bottom here, you have 2 speakers here, a USB-C port here, and an auxiliary port there. Here. And that's it, so it's your typical tablet. You got Vastking's logo on the back, but I mean, it's got a good size to it. It's got a decent weight to it. It has a metallic casing to it, an aluminum casing specifically, and 2 color tones. You have silver going across the back here, as well as this is all matte right here, and then you have a chrome silver that's going around the edge here, on actually both edges. So you have your back, or your lower, I guess you could say, edge that's going around, and then you have your top edge here, which is also lined in a chrome silver as well. So it looks really nice. So the big thing we want to know today is, how does it perform? And for that, of course, you want to go to POCnetwork.net, where we're going to have the full review about this later on. We're going to include the link in the description below, and we will definitely put a lot of time into testing this out so we can give you an idea of what to expect. So again, POCnetwork.net. If you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below and follow us, as well as use the comment section so you can let us know what you think. Maybe you have one of these. You probably don't. It's not actually out yet. It's coming out, so you probably don't have one of these. We have one of these though, so maybe you can comment and let us know what you think about us having it, and how much you wish you had one, and you probably will get one once it does become available. Again, we'll have links in the description so you can find all of this information out. Go to the website, check out the review. We'll have a link to the product itself, so if you feel like this is something good for you, go and check one out. Buy one for yourself. And of course, again, subscribe and comment below. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you later. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.